Hello everyone. Today I will talk about Leonardo da Vinci because I don't know a lot of things about him. Okay, so I will start. Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci was one of the most mysterious and influential figures in the history of art. He was a painter, sculptor, inventor, mathematician, architect, and many other scientists. Da Vinci was born in Venice, Italy in May 2nd, 1452 at 3 a.m. and died in May 1519 at the age of 67 in Château de Choix, France. He was an illegitimate child of Piero da Vinci and Caterina, a couple in forbidden cross-class relationship. His father, a notary, was from a wealthy family, while his mother was from peasant family of farm workers. Leonardo's works are considered unusual and mysterious. Perhaps we can say his works are miraculous because they are beyond the capabilities of ordinary men. Events occurring in the time of Leonardo. Many historical events occurred at the time of Leonardo da Vinci. The birth of one of the Renaissance genius, Michelangelo, in 1475, accused Da Vinci of sodomy in 1476, but the accusation was overlooked a few days later. Also, Christopher Columbus goes to discover the New World in 1492. In 1505, Da Vinci attempted flight and started drawing the Mona Lisa. Leonardo left Italy permanently to reside in France in 1516. Other art movements happening at the same time he were working. During the time of Leonardo, there were many influential art movements. Early and high Renaissance between 1400 to 1550. The most prominent pioneers of the Renaissance was Michelangelo, Donatello, Brunelleschi, and others. Venetian and Northern Renaissance between 1430 and 1550, and the most prominent pioneers of the movement was Bellini, Giorgione, Titian, Dürer, and others. Leonardo's theories on art. Leonardo's theories were based primarily on nature's relations to art and its influence on the art of photography, light and shadow, where he combined geometry, mathematics, philosophy, anatomy, and others to draw an integrated painting. Da Vinci always believed that drawing nature was not painting without creativity. It was thought that the integrated drawing of nature was studied and felt in depth. His famous painting, The Vitruvian Man, was one of the most important theoretical achievements in art. He painted the human body in a square and circle and painted the genitals in the center of the square and the navel in the center of the circle, to prove to us that the functions of human body resembles the functions of the universe. Leonardo's body of work and the new direction. Mona Lisa, the most religious painting of all the time, is a medium oil on poplar panel painted in 1503-06, perhaps continuing until 1517. Even now, Mona Lisa is still the most famous painting in all the world. The Last Supper painting is a medium fresco secco created in 1495-1498, commissioned by Ludovico Sforza. The Adoration of Maggie, painted in 1481, is media oil paint tempera. Leonardo was commissioned by the Augustinian monks in Florence. He began the work but left it incomplete. Madonna of the Rocks or Virgin of the Rocks are the same name of two paintings. One of them, in Louvre in Paris, painted in 1483-1486, which is considered the first version, and the other version is in National Gallery in London. Vitruvian Man, created in 1490 by using pen and ink with washover metal point on a paper. The dimensions is 13.6 inches times 10 inches. Located in Galleria della Accademia, Venice, and it has combination of art, anatomy, and science architecture. Leonardo has pioneered new direction by using anatomy in art, which is still used now. Main elements and principles of design. Leonardo used curved lines to form his subjects. He also used organic shapes. The colors that used by our artist is organic earthy colors to picture happiness or sadness. He usually used roughness in his texture and smoothness of the human skin plus roughness of the backgrounds. Da Vinci creates amazing smooth textures by using his fingers. After he adds a lot of colors on top of each other. Leonardo has balance of color, texture in his artworks, like we saw in Vitruvian artwork, and also emphasize like in the Last Supper painting. He also creates movement in his artworks. That's why he forced the viewer's eye to move around his painting, and also pattern. He creates also unity in his painting to build harmony, but unfortunately, most of his artworks were incomplete. Da Vinci's 6 functions of art. It's very hard to decide which of 6 art functions Leonardo da Vinci represents, but most of his artworks is considered as art in worship and ritual, which is talking about biblical figures. For example, the Last Supper of Jesus painting, or Art of Delight as we see in Mona Lisa painting, which is considered appreciation for beauty. Art criticism he received. What art criticism did he receive? Which of the theories are applied to his work? And do you agree or disagree with that assessment? That's the artist. I like Da Vinci artworks because he relies on the classic formula, but it develops and gives it unique elegance and beauty, depending on the attention to detail. Geometrical structure is characterized by geometric shapes such as the pyramid and the triangle, like we saw in the last super painting. Same method adopted by the pioneers of the Renaissance. Thank you so much. Have a good day.